Setting different color for each series in scatterplot on matplotlib. Suppose I have 3 data sets. I can scatterplot this. How can I do this with 10 sets? I searched for this and could find any reference to what I'm asking. Edit, clarifying, hopefully, my question. If I call scatter multiple times, I can only set the same color on each scatter. Also, I know I can set a color array manually, but I'm sure there is a better way to do this. My question is then, how can I automatically scatterplot my several data sets, each with a different color? If that helps, I can easily assign a unique number to each data set.
I don't know what you mean by manually. You can choose a color map and make a color array easily enough. Or you can make your own color cycler using itertools.cycle and specifying the colors you want to loop over, using next to get the one you want. For example, with 3 colors. Come to think of it, maybe it's cleaner not to use zip with the first one either.
The normal way to plot plots with points in different colors in matplotlib is to pass a list of colors as a parameter. For example, when you have a list of lists and you want them colored per list, I think the most elegant way is that suggested by @daysm, just do a loop making multiple calls to scatter. But if for some reason you wanted to do it with just one call, you can make a big list of colors, with a list comprehension and a bit of flooring division.
An easy fix. If you have only one type of collections, for example scatter with no error bars, you can also change the colors after that you have plotted them. This sometimes is easier to perform. The only piece of code that you need. The output gives you different colors even when you have many different scatter plots in the same subplot.
You can always use the plot function like so.